Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing something I have never done before, which is a Walgreens video. And this Walgreens video is an all digital video, which I'm very excited about. There's also a printable breakdown in the description box that you guys can use, and you don't have to write anything down. It's also my birthday tomorrow, so please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Comment below your favorite deals this week. I will be heading into CVS tomorrow to get some awesome deals. So let's get started. The first deal I picked up are these Huggies Little Movers diapers, and I did make a mistake. I got the size 4 because that's the size I needed, but you have to get the ones that are the 32 count or more, and so you would probably have to get the newborns or the size 1 for this to work the way you want it to. But I'm going ahead and breaking it down for you guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 3 of these Huggies Little Movers. When you pick up more than, pick up the 2, there's $10.50. So when you pick up 3, they're $10.50 each. Your total before coupons is $31.50 for all 3 packs. Then there are various coupons that we have on the Walgreens app. There's a $4 coupon, a $4 coupon, and a $2 coupon. You can only use one of those coupons that's going to work. So that $4 coupon is going to come off. And then there is a $2 coupon on coupons.com. So you'll submit your receipt to coupons.com. That's a total of $6 in coupons with your digital and your coupons.com. Then, of course, you're going to get back that $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. That's going to go on your receipt for your next transaction. After those 2, your total is going to be $20.50. Then on IBOTTA, you can submit your receipt for $2 per pack, but make sure you buy the right one. This is where I messed up. So since we bought 3 packs, that's $6 in IBOTTA rebates. Moving on, we're going to go over to Shopkick, and I believe it's 850 scans and kicks, but it's a limit of 2, so you can do that twice. So because of that, the Shopkick is equivalent to $6.80. So with all of that, after your sale, your 2 coupons, your Walgreens cash rewards, your IBOTTA rewards, your Shopkick rewards, your total price is going to be $7.70 for all 3 packs, or just $2.57 each. I definitely would pick these up because that price sticker there says $14.99 for the original price. Can't beat that. This is something I forgot to pick up, but I'm kind of glad I didn't because it's super hot outside right now. I didn't want to leave this in the car. These are the Mars Wrigley candy bars, M&M's, Snickers, Twix, Milky Way, Three Musketeers, Dove, or Skittles, Starburst, Lifesavers, all that. So these are on sale for $1. There is a 50-cent digital coupon on the app. So make one of these candy bars just 50 cents. So pretty good deal because these are usually $1.79. So you're getting them down all the way to 50 cents. All right, since I gave you a very complicated Huggies deal, I am going to give you an easy peasy deal on these Flex 3 titanium razors. These are usually $4.99. So, but because they are 25% off, the total for them are going to be now $3.74. You can see that at the bottom of the hang tag there, $3.74. We then have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the big razors, making these just 74 cents. So pretty great deal, coming down from $4.99 all the way down to 74 cents. Easy deal, no paper coupons needed, just your Walgreens app on your phone. Love it. So I have so much toothpaste, I really need to stock up on toothbrushes. So these are usually $4.99. These are the Oral-B charcoal toothbrushes, which I love. They're on sale today for $4, or this week for $4. So you're saving 99 cents just off the bat. Then, so what we're going to do is pick up 3 of them. When we pick up 3 of them, our total is going to be $12. We have a $5 digital coupon when you buy 3 Oral-B products or Crest products. You can mix and match Crest and Oral-B, but I need the toothbrushes. So I'm going to use that $5 digital coupon. And then we're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards that we can use for our next transaction, roll it over to buy something else. With all that being said, with the $5 coupon, the $5 Walgreens cash rewards, our total for all 3 toothbrushes is just $2 or 67 cents per toothbrush. Great deal, coming all the way down from $4.99 to 67 cents each. So this is a really great deal on the Colgate toothbrushes. You don't have to get the toothbrushes. You can get the toothpaste if you want. I actually got these for free, and I'm going to tell you how. But you're probably going to pay 49 cents each for them. So let's break it down. These are $4.99 usually, but they're on sale right now for $3.99. We're going to pick up 2 of them. Our total is going to be $7.98. There is a $3 digital coupon when you pick up 2 toothbrushes, Colgate toothbrushes. Then we're going to get back $4 in register rewards. That's going to print off that we can use on a different transaction. After all of that, our total is going to be 98 cents or 49 cents each. On top of that, I also submitted my receipt to Fetch, which you guys make sure you always submit your receipts to Fetch. And I was able to get back $1.50 from Fetch, but I've been adding this up because Fetch has a deal right now when you spend so much on Colgate products, like I think $15 on Colgate products, I think you get like so many points or like 10% back, which is $1.50. I'm not sure. I'm going to post it up here for you guys, but I did get $1.50 back, which made my toothbrushes free. Guys, stick around because I have a huge moneymaker I'm going to be sharing towards the end of this video. So this is a stock up price for me, and this is a no coupons needed deal. I didn't have digital coupons, none of that. But the Scott paper towels or toilet paper, you can mix and match. They're $5 usually, and they're buy one, get one 50% off. So essentially what you're going to be doing is if you buy one of them, and get the 50% off, it's like saying they're $3.75 each. So I have some of these Walgreens spend $20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. And so I wanted to get to that $20 threshold in this Scott toilet paper, paper towels, so I can get those $5 Walgreens cash back. So what I ended up doing is I mixed and matched, and I got 6 packs. So I got like 3 packs of toilet paper and 3 packs of paper towels. They're $3.75 each. So my total before anything was $22.50, right? I was able to get that $5 Walgreens cash back. I made sure I loaded that on my card. You know, all of us have something different. You may have something less or more, but I wanted to get to that $20 threshold to get that $5 back. So after that, it was $17.50 for all 6 packs, or about $2.92 each. I thought this was a great deal because we don't get, toilet paper and paper towels free like we used to before the pandemic. So I definitely will probably go back in the store because I have some more of these. Spend $30, get $7 back, and I'm just going to stock up on these because I really need it, and I probably will use some of my register rewards that I have saved up. So I think it's a great deal. Alright guys, so you've made it towards the end of the video, and I have this amazing money maker. Hopefully I can go back and get some more of these. Super great deal on these Walgreens cough drops. So they're $1.99, but they are buy one, get one 50% off. So here is the deal on these. The total price for one is $1.50, but you're going to buy 2 of these. So your total price for both of them is $3. There are no digital coupons to clip on the app, but you are going to get $5 back in register rewards. This is not advertised. So it just came on there. Saving with Christina actually posted this, so I wanted to share. So after your $5 register rewards, it's going to be a moneymaker of $2 or a moneymaker of $1 each. Great deal on these, and hopefully you guys can score before they take it away. Alright guys, so here is my haul today. I got those 6 packs of Scott products. 3 packs of Huggies. Yes, I did mess up on that, but that's okay. The Flex Razor, the 3 Oral-B's, and the 2 Colgates. 2 packs of cough drops, which were money makers. So all in all, great trip at Walgreens this week. I will be going back to stock up on some more of the Scott products, and hopefully I can get some more of those cough drops before they figure out the mistake and, you know, take our register rewards away from us. But guys, thank you so much, and I appreciate you spending your time with me on my first Walgreens video. I will be doing a CVS video tomorrow, so make sure you stop by to check on that. And please leave me some comments below about your favorite deals of the week at Walgreens or any of the other stores that you would like to share with me. As always, I will be heading into Publix on Wednesday. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.